Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be jumping into the 2011 Ford Fusion and we're going to be replacing the headlights in it. So stick around to check it out. Okay guys, so these are the current headlights that we have in the car right now. These are some HID headlights that we've had in here for years. And they've been doing pretty good, but they've just been getting, it feels like, a little bit dimmer over time right here. So I think it's definitely time to replace them with something a little bit better. So that brings us to the sponsor of this video, AUTOONE LED lights. AUTOONE was awesome enough to reach out to us and send us out a set of regular headlights for our Fusions. So thank you very, very much, AUTOONE, for sending these out. Let's go on ahead and get these installed. Here we are on the driver's side of the Fusion right here. In order to go on ahead and get this first bulb out right here, what we want to do is we want to take this clip and remove it. There's a little rubber piece right here. We just want to fold it out of the way. That'll give us room to get in here and get this bulb out right here on this one. All right, there we go. Go on ahead and just take that and fold it back right there. We should be able to just go on ahead and reach into here and undo the first bulb. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view. Okay, a little bit hard to see in here, but there is the main headlight that we're going to be taking out right here. There usually is like a rubber cover or plastic cover over it. This one does not have any, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. But that is where we want to start right there and take out that bulb. So let's go on ahead and get that out of there. Okay, so first things first, we'll go ahead and just unscrew that, pop that out of there. There we go, there's one. There's two. Okay, so here's our first one. Let's get it over to the car and let's get it installed. To get this in here, we're just going to slide this in, and it should just turn clockwise once we get into the hole right here. There we go. All right, that's one. Let's go ahead and get the connector on it now. Okay, there's that one. That is awesome. That is pretty much overpowering the HID that's in there, so this is pretty cool. All right, now on to the passenger side. Now this side is going to be a little bit more of a pain to get to this right here. I believe there's a couple options. One is you can loosen the bolts on your degas bottle and kind of move it out of the way to kind of gain access to it, or option B, I believe you can get down into the wheel well right here, take off a couple of the plastic clips, and kind of fish your hand up into there to get to this spot right here. So I'm going to try that first. I'm going to try going in from underneath and see how that works. It's kind of hard to see down in there, but there is the bulb right there. So I need to reach into here, and there's the ballast for the igniter for the HID down here. I got to get that out, and then once I get that out, I should be able to go on ahead and reach up and get that HID out of there. So the under the fender method is proven to be a little bit more difficult than I had hoped. So I'm going to go on ahead and I'm just going to take these two bolts off and try and move the degas bottle out of the way a little bit. Now the bolts for these, this is going to be a size 10 for this one as well as this one. Crimped or anything. So I just want to bring it up and around here. And hopefully this will give us the room that we're looking for. Oh yeah, that's definitely a lot easier, guys. All right, there is our HID bulb. We'll get that out of there. All right, and then this is just going to be the exact same as the other one. We're going to make the connection and get it installed, and it's just you push it in, and it's a quarter twist to lock it down right here. Okay, those are installed. Go ahead and get this degas bottle back in. Now, something to pay attention to when you're putting this degas bottle in, it looks like there's a little notch coming off of the degas bottle, and then if you look on the edge of the inner fender right there, there is a hole for that to slide into. So you just want to make sure you get that lined up because that helps lock it in place. Right, guys, so this is so much better than the HIDs. A lot brighter. They were pretty easy to install considering even considering the driver's side was a little bit of a pain, but yeah, I think these are awesome. So thank you again, AUTOONE, for sending these on out. Okay guys, so that is all there is to installing the LED headlights in a 2011 Ford Fusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in those, I'll have an affiliate link in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out. Also, when you go to checkout, make sure you use code Kunert DIY for 15% off. Thank you again, AUTOONE, for sponsoring the video, and we will see you guys on the next one.